Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelman's. Today we're in the Bosch kitchen. I'm joined by Chef Loren from Milo's Cafe, and today we're going to make a duck breast with a Dijon cream sauce.
So a nice boneless, skinless, or boneless duck breast. I'm going to cut through just the skin. It helps to release some of the fat.
Okay.
And lay it in a hot pan. No fat. All the fat's in that skin. And we're just going to brown those and crisp up that skin on that one side.
Okay.
Okay, I think those are almost cooked, and by the time they sit here on the counter, they'll finish up. So I'm going to take those out and let them rest.
Okay.
And if you would, let's add all those shallots and all that Dijon. Beautiful. And then there's a thing of white wine there. Let's put about half of that. We'll let that all come together. And now let's add about half of that cream. Beautiful.
See how we're doing. Needs a little salt.
A little salt, maybe a little pepper.
Okay.
And then while you're doing that, I'm going to take one of these with a nice sharp knife. We'll cut it into medallions.
Got it all plated up.
That's a nice simple recipe.
That's the icing on the cake, or the cream on the duck.
Yeah, the cream on the duck.
Well, we're going to take this outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Would you ladies like to try a duck with cream sauce we just made? Super good.
Oh, but now I'm going to be on TV?
Yeah. Tell us what you think.
It's delicious.
Well, Loren, you did it again.
Thank you.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmans.com. Thank you for joining us from the Bosch kitchen at Riegelman's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelman's is brought to you by Riegelman's Appliance in downtown Gresham.